So let's have a look at the services on the cloud here and see what's the gateway look like. So we click on settings and manage gateways. So Marty Acer is a gateway online, you're good to go. So what we want to do is we want to add SQL Server as a data source. So we click up here, add data source to this gateway. So we give it a name here. This will be SQL Server AdventureWorks, just AW. Source type. Various source types here, but we have it, the one I have here is SQL Server. That's the one I'm trying to connect. SQL Server. Server. So that's Martin 7. Database. I have it noted down here. I just need to copy the name of the database here. Paste it in here. So that's AdventureWorks. Then authentication method. So do that down here and say Windows.